Well, guys, good evening. And I just got free from my workplace, and it's around 7, to be precise, 6:51. मतलब 7 ऑलमोस्ट बज चुके हैं और हम अपने ऑफिस से निकल चुके हैं and we're gonna get ready for our next trip. So sometimes, uh, God, gives us unwanted opportunities. So sometimes, we don't expect, not as an unwanted, but I would rather use the word key unexpected opportunities. And now we got another opportunity, and we are going on another trip. So we just came back from this Kashmir trip, just like a day back, and now we're gonna go and we gonna get our car refueled, and it's time for another trip. So see you guys in a bit, and if you haven't followed Journeyman 2.0, please follow Journeyman 2.0. See ya, ciao, take care. Just be good, be nice. We are done with our fuel thing. So we got somewhere around 46. Does filling nitrogen in car tire makes any difference? Let's check it out. They'll do now is they'll de-inflate the tail. They'll get rid of the air, and then just like this one, they'll get rid of the air, and then they're gonna refill it with nitrogen. So let's see. Though 78% of the air is nitrogen, but this is going to be 95 plus nitrogen. Here it is, getting inflated. So probably I'll start making some sort of a content on my car now. I guess I have promised in the past that we'll go for a full review, as an ownership review of more than 6 months. Well, guys, good morning and a lovely day to us. And here our trip begins. So I'm gonna just drive and enjoy the view, and then we'll see where we need to stop for a food and a coffee break. We are going to drive, in an easy way. We ain't in any sort of a hurry, so we're gonna drive easily, enjoy our drive, and we'll see how we can make this drive, a fun-filled family trip. Good morning, and we have reached Madhapur, one of the resorts known as Comfort Inn. So whenever we leave Jammu towards, Amritsar or Chandigarh, we always make sure that we'll stop by this resort. So we're gonna stay here, and we're gonna have some breakfast, some tea. Nura looks very happy. So now what we'll do is we'll just go. Let's go and let's order some breakfast. चलें? भाई क्या idea? Look at Noor. Noor is so happy. इसको चेयर में बैठना है. एंड जो ये जो रिजॉर्ट है इसके जो वो वाला साइड है ना, उस साइड में वो है यार, क्या कहते हैं, नॉट अ रिवर बट अ स्ट्रीम, कनाल. नूरा, लेट्स ऑर्डर. तो ये है, पहले ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं, देन I'll show you guys how beautiful it is. Well, we have given the order. Order has been initiated, and look at this. This stream is connected with with the main reservoir, and there is one dam right on around 4 to 5 kilometers from this place, and it is around 20 kilometers in length. and you can say connected with the Ranjit Sagar Dam. तो ये पानी जो है for irrigation use होता है, and at the end of the day this water flows down to Pakistan. Very good place. They have rooms also, by the way. When somebody wants to stay, they can plan up accordingly. So let's go and let's have our breakfast. Hello, fishy. Hello, fishy. Hello.
The water is showing different.
Guys, here is our breakfast. Chini. Have some chini, bhai. Oh, हमारी चाय आ गई है. All I need now is a spoon. यार कोई मेरे को भी पराठा दे दे. Lovely cup of tea. Guys, दीदी आप तो कहते हैं मैं कुछ नहीं खाऊंगी.
बस मैं I will take this one.
हेलो हेलो. मजाक कर रहे हैं. All I need is butter. So then we'll start the gym. But the topic for today is
इधर से है ना?
no rooms. Right from there. तो टॉपिक फॉर टुडे है कि जो ब्रेकफास्ट का जो है चार्जेस बढ़े वो थोड़े से एनोनिमसली ज़्यादा लगे, क्योंकि आई मीन 5 पराठा 5 कप चाय और एक ऑमलेट 2200 इज़ टू मच, टू एक्सपेंसिव. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक द फर्स्ट टाइम. अभी इनके शायद वो चेंज हुए हैं ओनर्स वगैरह है ना. मे बी दैट माइट बी द रीज़न व्हाई we got such kind of a charges. But chalo, let's discuss about the beauty. It's a good resort to be in. In winters, you can sit there, have your lunch. But अभी जो हमें फटका लगा ना जेब पे भाई.
Yes, that was not even worth it.
हाँ मतलब 5 पराठा, पनीर आलू पराठा, 5 चाय, एक ऑमलेट, 2200 रुपया, 2200. और यही हमने अगर किसी ढाबे पे खाया होता तो 500 रुपये बिल मैक्स. ओ भैया ये जो हमारी नहर है बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रही है. वाओ. देखो ये लोग यहाँ से डलोजी भी रास्ता जाता है. प्लान बनाए, लेट अस गो टू डलोजी देन. आफ्टर वी फिनिश दिस वर्क
We can.
देन वी कैन गो टू डलोजी. व्हाट डू यू गाइस रेकन? क्या बोलते हो?
Nice idea. Nice idea.
चलो देखो रब की करता. लेट्स गो गाइस. हेलो मंचकिन, लेट्स गो.
One second.
Oh my god, so many candies. Hey Munchkin, what do you want? My Munchkin. What? Water. You like it? Oh, keep holding my hand. Guys, who loves this? I'm holding her hand. And now she's looking at the water. Anna, you are not supposed to do this, by the way. If somebody is with you, फिर ठीक है. अगर नहीं, then you have to. Yeah. चले? चले? Obsessed with pictures, photographs, whatever you want to say. Another 10 minutes of my travel time wasted.
What we can do? I don't know.
We are out of the toll and we have crossed around 130 kilometers in around 2.5 hours. Altogether, very good. And the co-pilot has been changed for some reason. Co-pilot, what do you want to say?
Think.
And there
I'm
is
not feeling well.
there is skinny pilot right there. Miss Skinny, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
बोल दो यार कुछ तो.
What should I say? She was not feeling comfortable in the back seat. That's why I shifted her there. She is my sister, so she can shift anywhere.
On the roof.
Yes. No, no.
चलो भाई छत पे चलो. who is enjoying this trip or travel, you can say, is
Sitting on the back seat.
the guy in the last row, Mr. Pinder. There he is somewhere hiding.
Come and say hi.
Say hi. There he is. यार कॉफी लेनी है यार कहीं से. We need coffee. हाँ तो हुआ. क्या ग्रीनरी है बारिश के बाद. It's all green. 184 kilometers रह गया भाई.
In 600 meters, keep right to stay on National Highway 44.
Look at her on the
Keep right to stay on National Highway
front
44.
seat. She is sleeping. Guys, ये देखो हमारी sister, इसको नींद आ रही है like as if she has taken some sort of drug that we are not allowed to, you know, allowed to what? We are not allowed to disclose. Where is it? There it is. There is Subway, but we need coffee. We need coffee. We don't need Haveli. Ain't gonna go to Haveli. In Haveli, everything is Haveli. Chalo. Guys, continue with whatever you are trying to do. And me and Tejas will hunt for coffee. Bye bye. See you later. Continue. Stay obsessed, guys. Let's go and find some place to have coffee. Where? ऊपर कहाँ?
ऊपर वहाँ.
वहाँ क्या है?
Please.
वहाँ baby shopping है. We don't want to do any shopping. All we want to do is have some coffee. You can have some ice cream or juice. Ice cream avoid करो. You can have juice or ice cream, whatever. उधर कहाँ जा रहे हो? यार क्या बंदे हैं. Guys, how this guy is caring for her wife. You can see her slippers are broken. And that is called love for each other. Anyways, back to the topic. Now these people are after shopping. I don't know what they want to shop. And all I wanted was a cup of coffee. Now, this market, it's kind of a super shopping place, somewhere around 100 and 20 kilometers away from Chandigarh. But it is nice here, not too shabby, है ना? तो ठीक है, आप लोग शॉपिंग भी कर सकते हो. People who live in Chandigarh. Okay, let's go. Let's get some Uda Ada for Noora. Well, here is ice cream for Noora. Happy? ये आइसक्रीम में अंदर ही बिजी हो गई है. Guys, Noor is happy, but I am not happy because nobody is letting me, you know. Guys, grow up. I don't know when you guys are gonna grow up, man. I mean, so much obsessed with what? Taking pictures. Oh. Just came back to record something. What I'm trying to record is that there is the coffee जो हमने नहीं पी, pathetic coffee waste. Guys, अब ठीक है. On our humble request, they have added another shot of coffee in it. And now it feels and looks and tastes like a coffee. तो अब कॉफी पीते पीते हम चलते हैं ठीक है, मतलब not too shabby as in. We are back in the vlogging mode. So coffee is done. Here's our cup of coffee. Cheers, guys. And we are around कितने किलोमीटर रह गया? 100 kilometers away from our destination. Thank you, Bia. And now it is, we have wasted around 1 hour because of the ladies. There was no point wasting any time here. But now they have somehow, found happiness in by dragging ourselves in this humid environment. इतनी ह्यूमिडिटी है कि मैं बता नहीं सकता, लेकिन पता नहीं है कुड़ियां की I don't understand. But that is how it is, guys. आज तक औरतों से कोई जीत नहीं पाया है. जहाँ देखो इनको शॉपिंग चाहिए होती है. Guys, now it is time to get back on the highway. Guys, we are on the move. We are on the move. And we're gonna play some good tunes. DJ Journeyman on the road.
Continue on National Highway 44 for 4 kilometers.
तेरे नालों सोना कोई भी वेख्या ना सूरज तत्ता ते चंद दागी तारे पत्थर ने.
Well, guys, now the benefit of having nitrogen in your tires is that your tire temperature stays down to 44, 43, 43, 41. In normal air, it will go up to 50, 51 degrees. तो benefit तो है, क्यों जी?
Yes, definitely.
And we are on the Roopnagar road. यार वैसे हमें यहाँ रुकना चाहिए.
In 600 meters, keep right to take the flyover.
Keep right to take the flyover. We decided to stop here so that we can pick up some food. And it's around 2:45 right time, so we're gonna reach home and then we can just get freshen up and have some food. Chalo yaar. Boys, you are ready?
Yeah, boy.
Let's get something from Haveli. Haveli. तो हमारा वॉशरूम डन है. अब हम लेते हैं lunch. Here I am, right there, somewhere in the reflection of the mirror. Everyone seems happy with their meal of their own choice. Guys, let's go. Let's hit the road. Guys, let's hit the road. We have arrived in the Tri-City. The city of what?
The first planned city.
First planned city of, I believe, India. Chandigarh. किलोमीटर रह गए 6.5 6.5 kilometers from our destination. So we're going to finish this work and then we got another 2 tasks in day 15. PGI is in 15. Guys, I've been to PGI when I was in the car crash. I was shifted to PGI with I don't know how many broken bones.
Exit the roundabout onto National Highway 5.
Maybe 40.
In 400 meters, join with Udyan Park.
Well guys, I've arrived at the place where the meeting will be taking place soon. So let's hope for the best. Something new is on the way, guys. Something is on the way. Well guys, we are here. There's our ride and we've reached our destination. Time around 5. We were stopped in between for some sort of, things that required our attention. So we are done with it and we've reached home. Nice place to be. हाँ हम जाते हैं हम घर वहीं बना लेते हैं. Welcome home. Okay guys, this is the surprise. This is the new home that I bought, and today the deal has been finalized. So we are here. Actually, we were here last time, but paperwork was not done. So today the paperwork is all done, and this is like our tiny 2 BHK, good kitchen, and 2 bedrooms. And there is Mia. I was scared. So there's the thing, guys. All right. Bye bye, guys. We are here. फिंगर कर दे. चाह का टाइम. दीदी कैसा लगा मेरा नया घर?
बहुत अच्छा. Congratulations. My good you.
कैसा लगा? There's too much of sugar in this. Guys, we're here making our cup of tea. And I guess it's time to end the vlog for today, and time to take some rest and sleep probably for a while, and उसके बाद देखते हैं. We'll get up and we'll go and we'll probably get dinner from outside rather than cooking here. So take care, bye bye, and do follow, subscribe, be good, be nice. Well, I thought I'll just end this vlog, in the evening, but now it is time that we should go, and we have decided to go out for this thing dinner. So I mean, they're living in these sort of societies, it brings up a different kind of experience altogether. It's time to
Open the car, please.
wait a second, guys. It's time now to go and hunt for our dinner thing, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. And in case if I find something interesting to share on the dinner table, then yes. Otherwise, please do follow Jerry Ma'am. Take care. Bye bye.